MySpace, so I thought I'd check her out. I had a look at Facebook, and she's looking good, no doubt. Said anytime, any place. I sent her a message and we made a date. I picked her up at her house. She got in the car and then she bring me out. That girl, oh that girl's a freak. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That girl, oh that girl's a freak. Yeah, she bring me out. She gave me way too much information about her checkered past. And when we reached our destination, there was just no turning back. She got crazy, she got wild. Every guy that went by was begging her and smiled. She got crazy, she got loud. It seemed like she'd been with every guy in the crowd. That girl, oh that girl's a freak. That girl's a freak. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That girl, oh that girl's a freak. That girl's a freak. And now she's bringing me out. She texts me 100 times a day. Calls me up and has nothing to say. Got no conscience, got no shame. She pulling me in, but I can't get away. Oh, this is my favorite part of the evening right here. I want you to look around the main street station, and if there's any freaks partying with us, I want you to point out the freaks. Yeah, be proud, baby. We love the freaks. We're talking about the good kind of freak, like you. I need to see some more honesty out there. Let me see where the freaks are now. Yeah. Well, that girl's a freak. Well, that girl's a freak. Well, that girl's a freak. That girl, well, that girl's a freak. That girl's a freak. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That girl, well, that girl's a freak. That girl's a freak. And now she's bringing me out. That girl, well, that girl's a freak. That girl's a freak. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That girl, well, that girl's a freak. That girl's a freak. And now she's bringing me. And now she's bringing me. And now she's bringing me. That girl's a freak. Yeah, yeah. Well, we're supposed to take a break. That's another one of our songs, but we're going to have Ryan sing a couple songs for you. Yeah, give it up for Mr. Ryan Wilcox, every on the bass and vocals. Got to leave the honey with $1 million body to say it's a budget, but you pay it doesn't touch it below. Need to make a big straight and shoot a little love scene in Hollywood. You can't see me coming for your heart to with a pretty big thong and a sugar daddy hitting on her all night long. Doesn't care about the money, she could be with anybody. And it's funny how the honey wanna do all alone. You're really up pretending so hard. You shake your ass around the world. Love the way you dance with anybody. You tease them all the time, you know you fall. It's so much smoother when you never pull it out. You do so much good with something in your mouth.
chicken that he hitting at her all night long. Doesn't care about the money, she can be with anybody. And funny how the honey wanted to all alone. Rock.